In the 1970s, the Porsche 911 was already a legend. But inside Porsche, one man wanted it gone. He believed the 911 had no future. His name was Ernst Fuhrmann. He was the new boss of Porsche, and he was a brilliant engineer. But he had a problem with the 911. The 911 had its engine in the back. This made it special, but it also made it hard to drive. The back could swing out in corners. Fuhrmann thought it was old-fashioned. And there was a bigger danger coming. New laws were coming, especially in America. These laws were about safety and pollution. Fuhrmann feared the old 911 could not survive them. More than half of all Porsches were sold in America. He could not risk losing that market. So, in 1971, he started a secret plan. A brand new car, built from a clean sheet of paper. Its name was the Porsche 928, and it was the complete opposite of the 911. The engine was not in the front, and it was not a flat six. It was a big, powerful V8. The first V8 Porsche ever built. The body was smooth and round. It had pop-up headlights. The seats were all soft and comfortable. It was a luxury car for long, fast journeys. Porsche spent a fortune on this car, around $80 million. That was a huge gamble for a small company. But the 928 had clever new tricks. The gearbox sat at the back for perfect balance. It even had a special rear axle. This axle stopped the car from sliding in corners. In 1977, the 928 was revealed to the world. The press loved it. In 1978, it won a European Car of the Year. No sports car had ever won that before. On paper, Fuhrmann was right. The 928 was faster, smoother, and more modern. The plan was working, but then something strange happened. The fans did not want the 928. They wanted the 911. To them, a real Porsche had its engine in the back. A real Porsche made that special sound. The 928 felt like a different brand. Some people even called it a German Corvette. There was another twist. The 928 was very expensive. The old 911 cost almost 3 times less. So people keep buying that cheaper 911. And those scary new laws, they never really came. The 911 was allowed to live. By 1980, the truth was clear. Killing the 911 would have been a disaster. The 911 was the heart of Porsche. And so Ernst Fuhrmann lost his job. The man who wanted to replace the 911 was gone, but the 911 stayed. Here is the beautiful irony. The 928 was built to replace the 911, but the 911 outlived the 928. Porsche stopped building the 928 in 1995. The 911 is still here today. Sometimes the old way is the right way. The 911 didn't just survive, it became immortal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe. Bye.